Hey everyone, Johnny from Benzines, back again. Yeah, no surprises, Falcon behind me. This time it's a nice 90s EL, E-series Falcon, which is a sort of a fan favourite for me. Yeah, obviously growing up in the 90s, that's when I got my license, so these sort of cars here were the ones to have. Probably not particularly this one. This is an XR6, and it's probably a bit underrated even for now, and probably back in its time as well. This one has a bit of this engine's a bit warmer than what the ones came out with in the 90s. So it's pretty cool. It sort of had like a sort of restoration. It's been resprayed. It's had it hasn't had an engine conversion, but it's got a turbo engine in it. I think I noticed that it's got a 6-speed manual in it too, and the interior, even though it looks stock, it's got some nice touches that obviously complement the new driveline combo. So, and when we look around it, you notice it's got bigger brakes, bigger wheels, and yeah, it's just a really, I think it's a really cool car, obviously, and obviously I love my Falcons, but I think this is probably one of the second or third ELs I've done, and I truly believe that this sort of series car, whether it's a 90s Commodore or a 90s Falcon or Ford, these are the new street machines, you know. These are the cars that we probably see a lot more modifications to them, and obviously restorations for the original side of things as well. So it's good to see someone's taking the time to put one of these, not back to original, but to spend some time and money on it and making it a really nice car. So yeah, so I'll take you a walk around. With regards to what I've done, it was in for obviously a paint correction, and obviously from the paint job, there were some remaining sanding marks and whizzer marks, especially on the roof and all the sort of tighter areas. So we'll show you that, and we're finishing off with a ceramic coating on this one too. So that's what my job was for this one. But yeah, it's a really nice car, and I thought it's another opportunity to show you guys, you know, some of the cool stuff we do here, and a car that is nice to see. So yeah, hope you enjoy it, and look forward to the next one. Cheers guys.